Hey guys, DJRadiocutter here, and the Audiophile Alliance, and I am going to be showing you how to write pirate-themed melodies. So you can go Pirates of the Caribbean style, or you can just do something like there's just many different ways to do it, and you'll be getting a sort of sneak peek inside the project of Drop the Plank. So it's a project that me and Emblem made in a month or two ago, and it's pretty cool. Probably has my favorite drop that I've done. For non-future bass anyway. This is taking a while. So, the intro is basically, I don't have all of the files that Emblem shared to me for some reason, so that's not here, but where I started the song, it was right here, and I had I had a lead, which is basically just a unison detuned serum patch. And the bass that plays during that is just the same pattern going further down and then restarting at the highest note. So, wow, okay. Gotta take that off. And yeah, the drop doesn't really sound too much like piratey, but it fits with the song. It's only glitchy because of the screen recorder I'm doing right now. So you can you can do a whole bunch of different things with just pirate themed, not even hardcore pirate themed, but just it sounds more Pirates of the Caribbean than most other melodies. Just I'm gonna add serum. So yeah, I almost hit helm. All right, so we got my string called Chillolin because I had no idea how to make anything else. And this was one of my first presets I made because you can tell it's just really bad. And there's a pirate scale, but it depends which note you're doing it in, because it's unlike most other scales where it can only be in one um scales. You can do a major scale, it'll load the MIDI like this. It can go on any note, but it has to be the same. With a pirate themed sort of scale, oh god, the pirate themed scale, you can so And it's just like you can make it sound piratey just by that. You can also, there's like a certain thing that just makes it sound like it's a pirate thing. And a few examples of good pirate music is F777, the Seven Seas. And his whole pirate-themed album. Those are all really good examples of pirate step. So, yeah, that should cover a little bit of this topic. This isn't the last video on how to make pirate melodies. I'm going to do a whole video on how to make pirate step, which elaborates on this. This is just a video just to get A, something for you to like work on, and B, something just telling you that I'm going to do a how-to melody series, and I'm going to do a tutorial on pirate step sometime. So, yeah, DJ Radio Cutter out.